Rub essential oil into your hands and move circle-wise on the abdomen with them. Repeat 3 times. Rub the belly back and forth with your hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift the thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with your hands doing alternately. Repeat 16 times. Rub the intestinal tract with your overlapped hands. Join small circles clockwise. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push towards the rectum along ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon with your hands doing the by terms. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Press the treated part with your hands moving circle-wise. Repeat 3 times. Push from Zhongji RN3 to the belly button with your thumbs. Slide to the part below the waist along the waist 2 sides and lift to the groin. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the treated part and apply radio frequency correct evenly to it. Body RF to heat the tissue in deep layer rapidly and accelerate blood circulation. Operating time 10 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Mode PRO. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Sculpt up and down on the waist. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with the device and the hand. Repeat 16 times. Clean the treated part and apply gel evenly to it. Cavitation to strengthen the blood fat cells to remove fat. Select Cavitation and adjust the parameters. Operating time 15 to 20 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Mode M1. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Sculpt up and down on the vest, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the diamond or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with the device in the hand. Repeat 16 times. Clean the treated part and apply radio frequency carrier or massage oil evenly to it. RF suction body to do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting. Operating time 15 to 20 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Mode Pro. Suction time 4 to 8 seconds. Release time 1 to 5 seconds. Suction can be adjusted per client's tolerance. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button, repeat 16 times. Lift from the waist side to the belly button, repeat 5 to 8 times. Sculpt up and down on the waist, repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the thigh or girdle vessel located at the waist 2 sides with the device in the hand. Repeat 16 times. Fix cupping with vacuum cups. Choose M1. Suction can be adjusted per client's tolerance. Select the suitable vacuum cups and place them on SHA1 RN10, 天书 ST25, 大恒 SP15, and 官员 RN4 and leave them there for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the cups and clean the treated part with a towel. The treatment takes 60 to 75 minutes. It's advised to take it 1 to 2 times a week, and 12 times is a course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart disease or a heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Those with skin disease or infectious disease should use it with caution.